Hey, I come to tell you right now, you don't gotta rush the process. Trading is gonna happen for you. I assure you of that. If you don't stop, it's going to happen. It's inevitable. Every trader I know that never stop, they eating now years later, right? The biggest part of this whole trading thing is the brain, this mental, right? It's all mental. You control this, you control everything else. And that's in anything in life, right? If you can learn how to control the emotions, you know what I'm saying? The self-doubt, saying stuff is too hard, learning how to control your mouth, your tongue. There's life and death that lies in the power of it. You know what I'm saying? Then doors will start opening for you in this market, right? It took me a long time to figure this stuff out, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna save you lots of time of wrecking your brain on how to grow your account to really big. This is a secret. It's not really a secret, but it's been around forever, right? I said somebody years ago when I first started, but one thing I've done when I was working a job, I used to take trading, well, not trading profits. I used to take money from my checks and I would constantly deposit into my account every week, every other week, every paycheck, whatever I had. And I would constantly deposit, whether you win or lose. That's called dollar cost averaging, right? No matter what's going on in your account, you dollar cost average. If you do this, right, this is another little hack for you to grow your account as big as you want to, right? I done this with Acorns, of course, stocks. You do it with stocks, you do it with all kinds of stuff. So why not do it in your trading account? Same thing. You feel me? So no matter whether you're winning in the markets or whether you're losing. Now the thing with this is you're going to have to realize, okay, I only need to lose a certain amount and I have to be done. You can do that. This right here is going to work for you great, because on the times where you do have a great run in the market and you might go 2-3 weeks and you can't miss, or you go a week and a half, can't miss, and then you're constantly still depositing on top of that, right? Your account's going to grow astronomically. It's going to grow astronomically. It's going to grow huge. You feel me? And so I got friends that do real estate, and every fix and flip they do, they redeposit, right? Whether they already got 10,000 in there, whether they already got 20, they do another fix and flip, they make 34,000, 30 to 40,000, they'll throw that in there, right? Do another one, throw that in there. And their account just grows and grows because they're still trading same amounts. They're able to hold trades longer. They're able to do better things, and the same will work with pocket options, binary options, Forex, whatever the case is, right? Constantly deposit. But see, most people cannot get over the fact that, I gotta win every day. You're not gonna win every day, and you have to be okay with not winning every day. You know what I'm saying? You might not win for a week, but control your risk to the point where I don't blow the account, right? Get the greed out your head, get the rushing out your head. The markets is gonna be here. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I said a saying a long time ago, these Forex streets ain't for everybody. That's why they made sidewalks. You feel me? These day trading streets ain't for everybody. That's why they made sidewalks. All right, everybody can't handle the pressure of it. Everybody can't handle their emotions in these markets. It's serious. You feel me? So I tell people, look, control your emotions, control your life. Real talk, man. I promise you, you learn how to do what I'm telling you right now, and then be disciplined enough to say, hey, I'm gonna start moving money to my little wallet, to my little MT5 part on the pocket option side. I'm gonna start moving money in there, storing it over there, depositing as well, whenever you got, and just don't blow it, your account's gonna grow. Because when you do hit those strides and you do hit those, those peaks, you know what I'm saying, then your account gonna continue to grow and continue to flip. Have a goal in mind. Like I told you, I use my cards now in the season to just pay my credit cards off and running right back up. Sometimes I'll put the money right on there and max the whole thing back out doing something else because I got all them points, and I'll redo it again because it's always a goal that I'm able to hit. You know what I'm saying? That it got simple, that simple to me. I take 10,000 on my credit card, do something fun, enjoy something, make the money, put it right back on the card. And the reason why, like I said, day trading stuff is so dope is because you can make the money as fast as possible, and you could pay it off way faster than you would ever be able to do at a job. So that's why I like doing it. You know what I'm saying? So I figure, something this cool, something this fast, something this dope, it's going to be a blessing to your life. You know what I'm saying? The whole goal is to make money a whole lot faster than you could traditionally make it at a job, and then go be able to do things a lot faster than you would traditionally be able to do. You know what I'm saying? So use all this day trade stuff as a vehicle, but use these little tips and tricks to make the money. But with that being said, I just want to say all that. But we're going to get into these strategies. I'm about to play some trades, man, and let's get into it. Yo, so you boys in this trade had a good day today so far. Actually up on the account, but I wanted to try to risk a little bit more, see if we're gonna get it. He like right around my entry though, you feel me? Now normally I don't take these but I feel like the market wanted to go back up, so I decided to take this one. You know what I'm saying? Now trying to get past here is hectic. It's a whole lot of rejection. You feel me? I only got 28 seconds left, but all that rejection is not good, as you can see. Definitely ain't good on my account. 20 seconds left. Can you hold and don't fold? I ain't got no choice, though. So y'all gonna watch this countdown with your boy. Ain't no telling what this is gonna put me at if I get it. 6, 5. Come on, hold on out now. 2, 1. Let's go. Lego 11-7, man. 11-7. Why I'm trading like that? Now look at that. That's the move I was looking for right there. That's the move I was looking for. So now, look, now that we got that established, I got to be up about maybe 800, maybe 900. I don't know what I'm up. But I'm up, you feel me? And we're going to look at that here in a little bit. But yeah, I got in that trade just because I was trading it off the signal. And the first couple didn't go, so I had to go a little risky on that fourth entry. You know what I'm saying? And really get that thing popping. Now this one here, pull back up to that zone right there, looking like a go. Definitely probably be 5 to 10 minute trade, but I ain't placing no more trades right now because I did what I had to do for today and I don't want to go too crazy. Now, if I do, I might do this for y'all. That's what I might do. All right, we're going to watch this play out for about 5 minutes. I'm going to place a buy on this, see how that play out. $2. Only reason why I'm placing that buy right now, though, is because we're above this and above the 200. All right, we're above both. So I feel like he want to push here, but this zone going to be tough to break because it didn't break before. But once it do get past this, it's taking off to the moon. But if not, then he about to come all the way back down here and play around. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it done tapped so many times up in here that they're going to try to get back up there and see if they can break through it again. That's what the market like to do. This is actually a terrible time to trade, right? Very terrible. It's 12:35 in the afternoon. The market be moving super slow. The volatility ain't really there, so you ain't gonna get the moves you want. You feel me? So, hey, the place about, how many trades I place today? About 25, 30 trades today, man. Just trying to get it in. I need to get this account to 12K, and then I'm out of there. I'm withdrawing about 10. And we taking a nice little, well, nothing too crazy, but getting an Airbnb, you know, out there in Dallas, man, and taking my kids to the circus, you know what I'm saying? So the babies is expecting it and they ready. So I got to get to it in these markets, you feel me? Cause I'm ready to go too, you know what I'm talking about? Enjoy myself. But yeah, so really around this time ain't the best time to trade. Now, if you like a slower market, then this is probably great for you. I don't really like a slow market. I like volatility. Sometimes it's good. Sometimes it get irky because the market moves so much. You have a good entry and then them spikes be catching you. But, you know, I like that wild stuff. You know what I'm saying? A little, get your adrenaline pumping and jumping. You know what I'm saying? But this trade probably gonna be a little stagnant. Trying to see if they update my profits yet. $916 for the day, baby. That's a good day. That's a good day right there. That's a good day, man. You can't complain about that. No, sir. Can't complain. Trying to see what this trade gonna do. All right. Y'all know the rules, though, man. We above both. Y'all know what time it is. Now, I will tell you this. When the candles cross, if you're still on the uptrend and the candles cross below the 20, right? What you want to do is just wait. I mean, now you can enter a longer trade down here, 5 to 10 minutes down here. Or you could just wait till we start crossing back above here, closing above, and then, you know, getting up there. You know what I'm saying? To try to catch it at the the tippy top. Now, if you start getting you start seeing a whole lot of rejection to your left, yeah, you might have to fight a little bit. They're gonna fight you on them trades because you bumping around. But other than that, you should be straight. Markets like this right here, we don't like these. We don't like that. Too small and they all too close. We ain't got nothing ranging out and moving. Like where I'm at now, not really much going on. So we're gonna have to see. Let's see here. See if anything else is standing out to me. Any other setup standing out to your boy right there, right quick? Yeah, nah, look like all the movement was earlier this morning. All the movement was early this morning. That's what it's looking like. Ain't nothing else just popping like that. Let me see, we up. Nah, we still in the same spot, bro. It's gonna be one of them close trades. It's gonna be one of them close joints. One of them in and outs. 80%. See, trades like this, okay, look. Certified downtrend, okay? Because the candles are below this. But they're not below this, but it's still overall downtrend. Last time we spiked up like this, we end up shooting right back down. All right, so I'm guessing, let me show y'all what y'all do. When you see stuff like that, you get you a couple of them little markup tools. Start adding your little zones. I put a zone right here because we stopped here before, drop. So we should get some type of bounce there. Long term down for the Celio. All right, if not there, it's gonna come up here. But by the time it get up here, I'm probably not even entertaining it because it's too close to the 200 and it could easily turn around. You know what I'm saying? We ain't ranged out yet, bro. I thought we was ranged out here. It been in profit the whole time, but I thought we done been shot out by now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, give me my paper, man. Stop playing with me. Yeah, get to it. Chop, chop. Let's go. Yeah, we like that. But yeah, so I believe this one gonna probably either bounce here again or finally decide to reject out push out and then head to the next zone. But you never know, man. What a day today, man. What a good day. Good trading day, man. So somebody was asking me also, like, how do you trade these joints, these signals? This is on the Forex side. Let me get the binary ones up. I think I accidentally clicked off of it, so hold on, let me pause and bring them back. So yeah, they was asking me how to trade these. So listen, this is how you trade them, right? It give you a buy. Was that what we was just on? What did we just get in? Okay, that was the Euro USD. That was the one I was on. Okay, and it gave me that buy. Yeah, we was in there. But if it gives you a potential, right? That means the candles crossed above the 20 and it's already above the 20, above the 200. So as soon as it crosses it, it's gonna say potential. If it closes above, it's gonna say an actual buy signal, right? I do 3 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Letting you know, hey, I believe the market's gonna continue. What you really want, you could do 6 minutes, you could do 7 minutes, you could do a minute, you know what I mean? But the whole goal behind this is to catch a good runner. You know what I'm saying? So as soon as we got to close above both, let's say you put a 3 minute trade in, you won that. You know what I mean? And then you trying to catch those rangers like these. You're trying to catch them. So you can actually enter on the potential, which would have been this one. 3 minutes ranged out, 1 minute, 2 minute ranged out, you would have been profit. All it's doing is calling signals based off the trend of the market, whichever way the market is going. So sometimes you may have to do longer trades on these when you're taking these alerts. You know what I mean? And I found 3 minutes to be my sweet spot. You know, I don't know. A lot of other people vouch for the 3 because they've been eating off the 3 minutes. Some people may do 1 minute. Some people may do 10 minutes. I don't know what you do. But again, even if you got here, so let's say this next one closed right here, because this is what it's going to do. I'm going to show you right here. So as soon as this candle right here pushed above, it's going to say potential buy. As soon as this candle closed, right, and this next one form, it's going to say buy signal. So 1, 2, 3, you would have won the trade. 1, 2, you probably would have lost it. Would have been very close to your entry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would have won on a 5 minute and a 10 minute trade. You feel me? So you got those times available. You know what I mean, that you could do. You could do whatever time works best for you. So that's how we trade those. You know, in the same way on the sale. You see this one ranging out. You know, AUD chef. Let me see if it actually called chef. Yep, it did. Look at that. It called that 3-minute buy, and that would have been a W. You see it right there on the screen. So beautiful stuff. This stuff you can get in the description below. All right, you can get it in the description below. And man, what a good day. Let me look at that again. 9:18 for the day. That's a beautiful day. Almost to the goal, and I'm done, baby. I'm gonna withdraw and go enjoy myself. You feel me? Holla at your boy.